They're now here at this lake. Ano yan?
American lemon sa.
American? Anong lasa niya?
Murarag lemon nga itong China, sir.
Wow, lemon. Oh. Maganda yan. Anti-cancer yan. Those are giant ferns. Definitely, the DNR has preserved this area, and even the trees have not been cut. So makikita mo that virgin pa yung forest kasi pantay. Yung canopy na pantay. So kung pinuputulan na yan, hindi na pantay.